Yeah, welcome back, guys. Everything the way is okay. Everything is okay the way it is from here on your settings. So what you do, go to pages. Go to pages. All right. GitHub pages is currently disabled. Please select a source below to enable GitHub pages for this repository. Our source is the main. Okay, so let's save it. Just select main, save, and then hold on for some time while GitHub automatically generates what that's the link to your what project. So for you to get that, I think you need to be patient. Remember to always click pages if you want to access the link to your web page. All right. So we're gonna refresh this right now. The link should be made available, but for some reason that is yet to be made available. Everything is set the way it should be. Kindly exercise patience. Okay. So in other words, that repository will be created. Okay, right. That's good. Now you can see that our site is live at what this link. You understand? So in other words, we've hosted our project for free. Okay, using GitHub. GitHub is just like a home for developers. Okay, a school whereby they all learn. So anybody on the internet can view this site with the aid of this link here. So we're going to copy this link. All right, copy. So let's place it on a browser. Let's see if anybody that views it from his or her end, how it's going to look like, what the interface is going to look like. So we'll do this Control V and click the enter button. So immediately the person comes to the web page, this is what it's going to find: Web Development Academy, all of this, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, and stuff. Okay. Oh, I realized something that the two images I uploaded on this site on about the labs have done was they actually are not displaying, if you notice something like that. But when we were doing it on our local server, it was displaying, which is our system. So that is trying to tell you that location has changed. I don't know if you get me right. Location, that's how we studied file paths. Okay, so the location has changed. Let's get back to our code so that you understand what I mean better. From here we can click on your repositories. Okay, click on your repositories. So this is the repository we just created, and here now this is it. Remember, I want you to remember something, that we had inside a folder, inside the parent folder, there is also subfolders. Okay, on uploading those things right now to GitHub only choose what the files. That is, we have the picture file. You can see this is the picture file. This is one of the picture file that is displaying on the web page currently, because it's like outside the what parent folder. All right, so we don't need to get into one point before we get into this other folder, before we finally get our picture. Okay, so that is why those images are not what displaying. Do you understand the concept now? But if we carry those images and fix all of them in this place and rewrite the index.html code again to call those images with those code, okay, it's going to automatically start displaying. Do you understand? So right now I'm going to give you an assignment. Your assignment is to go and ensure I'll be making this project available like I made it available the other time. I'll be making it available again so that you can go and work on it. The two images that are not showing, I want you to troubleshoot it. and upload those images back, send me the link to your GitHub account so that I can view them. So that is the assignment I'm giving to you guys. Alright? If you have any questions, you can ask me. You can send me a mail. If you're here to submit your assignment, you can submit your assignment. If you're here to subscribe to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel. So for more updates like this, subsequently there will be more of the videos coming in. Okay, I wish you guys good luck.